Okay, here you will find many templates you can use to create your database. But for beginner, I will teach you how to create from scratch. For example, if you want to create database for matriculation students, for example, if you're a teacher, you want to create database for students, you can type your database here using my class students data like this. So that's it. You already create your first steps to create your database. Okay, here you will add this column in Microsoft Access is called field, and this column in Microsoft Access is called record. So you can see, right, this is field, this is column. If it's vertical, it is field. If it's horizontal, it is record. So for example, if you want to add your first student's data, you can change the title, the field one, to his name or her name. For example, his name is Alex. Okay, if you have a name or a person name, what else do we have? We have the identity card number, right? So you will add his identity card number. Or before coming to identity card, we must have, if he's a student, he must have a matrix number. Matrix number. His matrix number is something like MS, something like this lah. Then we'll add his identity card number. 19 something something. Like this lah. Okay. Then other than that, we can also add another data for these students. For example, like his phone number. Right. So that's the first students you already created about the student. Next, if you want to add another students, you can also add. For example, for this time, we will add female student, Alicia. Matrix number S123 5. Matrix IC number. This is random, for example, so you can understand. And his phone and her phone number is something like this lah. Understand also. Then there are second intake or third intake students. You can also add if you want to add, because in Microsoft Access there are plenty of column you can add data for students or something. There are many amount of values you can add, but don't worry, Microsoft Access can do all that. Okay, if you want to save, you can rename also the table. Here you can rename, save, you can rename the table name my students data. It's a bit inaccuracy there. So you create, okay, you already save it. So where do you want to find this database? You can see from the top of here, you can see it's document. It's located in document, my PC document. So we're going to file, then we search document, then here you can see the file is already been made. Click here, then you will open and get this database. That's all for now. We will see you again, and I will meet you again. Thank you.